So another knife skill that we're going to use a lot is dicing. So there's a couple of different ways you can dice. You've got small dice, medium dice, large dice, a brunoise. So there's all different sizes. I'm just going to go through two now, so you get an idea. So I've got my chef's knife, little chopping knife. I'm just going to peel off the outer layer of the onion, which I'm going to use for a finer dice. With this piece of the onion, I'm just going to do a medium-sized dice. So what we do is, see that onion there, and I'm using my knuckle to run the knife down. So we run the knife down, 1, 2, move the knuckles back, keeping the fingers tucked away, and down again. And then we go, look, an incision at the bottom. I'll make a second incision on the top, and then incisions are in, and then just cut down, and then we get a nice dice of onion. Get to the end bit, you can use this as well, just cut it that way, 90 degrees, cut it back through, and we diced all the onion. And the second way I'm going to do is a finer dice. What I do is I take some layers of the onion off, and then I slice it. So you've got the onion slices, and then I'll spin the onion 90 degrees, like so, and we'll go, just maybe use half of that, just make it a little bit less fiddly. Okay, and then we'll just go like this, across the onion again, to get a real nice fine dice of onion. Move that like that. There we go. So just so you can see that. So that's the knife skill of dicing. So we've got medium diced, and then I've got a fine dice.